In this video, we're talking about setting up aliases. Now, whether you're a malicious hacker, a ethical hacker, pen tester, or anyone else, having an alias can go a long way in order to protect you. Now, just because you have an alias doesn't mean that you need to do anything wrong. Having an alias comes in handy for things like if you need to sign up for something and you know you're going to end up on a mailing list of some sort, having an alias or a junk email system can come in real handy. Likewise, for people like doing OSINT searches or, again, ethical hackers, pen testers, having an alias can come in handy also because you want to obfuscate your identity, especially if you're tracking someone online. You don't necessarily want your real identity, your real accounts getting out there for that stuff. It's always good to separate that. So one of the apps that really comes in handy for this is called Sudo, and you can find it at mysudo.com. And this is an iOS app at the moment. I heard they are working on an Android version also. So what Sudo does is it's pretty cool. So you could set up various phone numbers and identities. Um, you can send text messages, receive text messages. You can set up different phone numbers on your phone. These phone numbers will have a voicemail. You can send text. You can send emails. And then you can burn these identities at any time, generate a new phone number, a new email address. So that comes in really handy, especially when you need to sign up for certain things like certain services require to send a text message or have a real phone number to verify your identity. Again, this comes in really handy because you could set up multiple identities, create little information snippets about it, like this alias is for this. I'm using this one for Facebook only, and whatnot. This also comes in handy if you're doing phishing. That way you can have a phone number if someone wants to contact you back. You're able to call, answer it, and say, and you have the information right there to know that oh, this identity is Mike, this one's John. That way you know how to answer the phone call or text message or email. Now, I'm going to be honest, the old version of this was a lot better. You got more bang for your buck, and I do hope that they kind of work these issues out. But let's take a look at the plans. So they have sudo go, so that's one phone number, 30 minutes out, 100 messages. Pro is $5 a month. You get 3 phone numbers, 200 minutes, 300 out messages. Or if you do Max for $15 a month, you get 9 phone numbers, unlimited minutes for talking, and unlimited out messages. So again, personally, I really love the old version. You actually got quite a bit for free. Now they're actually charging, which isn't surprising considering how much to run a service like this costs. But again, this is a pretty cool system to use to kind of hide your identity. Other things you could do are you could set up email accounts with different names, different locations, and whatnot to help hide your identity. So keep these things in mind before you start doing social media accounts and whatnot. If you need a separate one to do your investigations or your ethical hacking, your OSINT or whatnot. And this was about setting up an alias. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.